Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Really interesting one in my opinion. This is a GTLB, had earnings, okay? And in the pre-market, I mean, it was really ripping higher. But look what happened when the market opened. This is the 9:30 candle, the 9:30 15-minute candle. A massive sell-off. I mean, this went from $60 down to, before it popped a little bit, $55. And our AI though, and we only had one alert today in our AI, and that was the GTLB, and it somehow it found the bottom, kind of the bottom here, and said, okay, let's play a bounce play on this. The alert came at 55.74. That was the suggestion. And you know what? This went before it pulled back at all. This went from 55.74 all the way up to 61. That's 61.28. A tremendous run before it finally pulled back a little bit. And now, I have no idea what's going to happen for the rest of the day. But I thought it was very interesting. Big earnings play, got hammered down at the very beginning. Our AI found it and said, you know what? We think this is the bottom. And boy, was it ever. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the trading room. So have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.